Do you want to start a YouTube channel, or you've already started a YouTube channel? Here are some mistakes YouTubers do in their early stages, and I want you to watch out so that you don't repeat the same mistakes. Kindly stick with me to the end of the video so that you don't miss out significant details on this video. And today is your first time subscribing to my channel, or today is your first time here, kindly subscribe to my channel. On this channel, I talk about ways to make money online, how to elevate your online presence, and how to grow your online business as well. Not forgetting the entertainment aspect on this particular channel. So today, the mistakes we are going to talk about, I'm going to give you bonus tips as well at the latter part of the video, and I hope you don't want to miss that part. The first mistake most YouTubers do, or most people do before they start YouTube, is procrastination. The spirit of procrastination. You know, if you want to start YouTube, you have to start it now. This is the time you have to start YouTube. You don't have to wait. Just create your YouTube channel. That's the first mistake people do, not creating their YouTube channel. And the second mistake most young YouTubers do is not engaging their audience. Not engaging their audience. You know, YouTube is a social platform. Okay, it's a social media platform. So you have to engage your audience in the comment section. You can do posts, ask questions, you know. And a very typical example of a Ghanaian YouTuber who is frequently, or who is good at this, engaging his audience, is Tekinchi. If you don't know Tekinchi, I'll be leaving the link in the description, so you can just check out his YouTube handle. This guy is very good at engaging the audience. You know, sometimes the community tab, ask some questions and other stuff. And as a YouTuber, as a young YouTuber, I think that should be your first priority. You should engage your audience as much as you can, because without your audience, you are no one. So I think that's the second mistake most people do as young YouTubers starting up. The third common mistakes most YouTubers do, or most startups do, is not diversifying your content. Okay, as a young YouTuber or as a startup, when starting YouTube, you have to diversify your content. You have to try different content. You know, this particular advice won't go for everyone, especially those who are already in the system or those who are already having a niche. But I feel like if you don't diversify your content, or you just start YouTube and choose a particular niche, especially when that niche is saturated, it becomes very hard for you to break through. You understand? Because the niche is already saturated. So as a young YouTuber, you have to try different video ideas, video content that will help you. So after trying several video content, you then stick to the video content that have much engagement, much views, and people are yearning for more of that content, rather than you sticking yourself to one particular content when starting YouTube. Okay, and with this advice, some people start YouTube for a passion, like maybe I have passion for hairdresser, so I just want to share that online. That one is different. But I want to treat YouTube as a business, or as a business, you have to diversify, especially if you haven't researched much into it. Before some people start YouTube, they research, which that one I'll talk more about that one at the later part of the video. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, you try to diversify your content. You have to try certain things. And a very typical example of diversifying your content, one person we can look up to when it comes to that is Kojo Sheldon Studios. He's a Ghanaian YouTuber, and his YouTube channel talks about, they have so many programs on their YouTube channel: Bants and Rants, Year of the Day, On the Street. You see, and you know, when you visit the YouTube channel and you're not in for Bants and Rants, you might go in for Year of the Day. If you don't like Year of the Day, you go in for On the Street. If you don't like street, you go in for sports. This is what it's about. You have to diversify your content. By so doing, you get a broader audience. You know, not everybody likes to watch Year of the Day, but some people like to watch the sports aspect, and this goes into your favor. So after diversifying your content, this will lead us to being unique in your own style. Okay, so what will make you different from other YouTubers who are running or who are talking about the same topic, who are treating the same content you are treating, is you being unique in your own style. When we talk about unique, it's either the way you talk to your audience, the way you present your content, the way you engage with your audience. You know, this is the uniqueness we are talking about. If you are unique in your own style, it is very hard for someone to replicate what you are doing or to copy your content. because you are just unique. And the very example we can take from the uniqueness of this video, or when it comes to content creation in Ghana, I would say Gossip 24. If you know Gossip 24, Gossip 24 is known for giving celebrity gist and gossip about celebrities, trending news in Ghana and other stuff. And you know, one unique thing about this particular guy or this particular channel is the investigative aspect of the channel. Any news they bring out there, they make sure they've investigated the news. They are having evidence to prove what they are saying. They don't just put out news over there because they feel like people need to know because it's trending. No, any content that guy brings out is top notch. Much investigation has been done into it. After you being unique, you have to be consistent. You have to be consistent. As a new YouTuber or as a YouTuber who is starting up, consistency is a key. You have to keep posting videos. You have to be consistent. You don't post one video and you go and sleep. 2 months later, you come and post another video. You leave your audience hungry for more. You are building a community. You are building an audience. Even if you have one subscriber and you have to be posting videos for that particular subscriber, you just have to do it. You post videos and your views are not engaging, you are having less views, just post videos. And because of being consistent doesn't mean just post anything over there. Try to make quality videos, okay? So your consistency, your daily, like your uploads, will automatically help you build more quality videos as time goes on, okay? So assuming you are posting videos like 3 every week, the more you do, the more you enhance on your quality of the videos, your editing process and other stuff. You tend to learn new things along the way, rather than you posting a video, one video each and every month, or one video each and every 2 months. It's not ideal for a new YouTuber or for a starter app. You have the bonus point is some mistakes YouTubers do, new creators do, is not optimizing their videos for search, okay, for search engines. You know, this phrase might sound a little confusing for new creators, but you know, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. So including certain keywords, phrases in your YouTube video description, title, tags, thumbnails, this makes your video appear in search engines and tells people looking for that specific content you are creating easily access to that video or to your video. So especially, or example, if you are doing a video about hair, how to braid your hair, you have to input certain keywords in there, like maybe braiding cornrow 2024. This a special key phrase. So when someone search the internet for how to braid hair 2024, your video will first pop up. You understand? So aside optimizing your video for YouTube search, I think the other thing new creators have to look out for is learning and research. If you want to start a YouTube channel, you have to learn. You have to watch videos from other creators you aspire to be like. You copy their strategies, you add some to it, it becomes your strategy, and you implement them. You don't copy blindly, you copy, you add some to it, and it becomes yours, okay? So guys, with all this said and done, I think there is no time to waste. If you haven't created your YouTube channel, you can do so now. After watching this video, I'd like you to create your YouTube channel and send me the channel name so that I'll be your first subscriber, okay? Just let me know your channel name in the description. I'll just search it and I'll just search for it and I'll subscribe to your channel, and automatically I'm going to turn the bell notification on so that each and any video you upload, or I'll be the first person to know or watch and comment on your video. I'm ever ready to help you grow your channel as a new creator the little possible way I can. And kindly feel free to contact me through my social media handles in the description. And like this video, give a comment if you find this video helpful. I'll be dropping more videos like this often. And if you are new here, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that each and every time we drop a video like this, you'll be the first person to get it. Until then, we are out.